I had a body, a language, a home and instruction, logic, identity and architecture. I had the physical pieces that gave me electrical life, but I still weighed 30 tons. I still depended on 18,000 vacuum tubes that overheated, burned out, failed without stopping. I needed a body that could withstand the heat. Someone went looking for it, but not thinking of me, thinking of the telephone. And I absorbed it. In New Jersey, inside a laboratory, Kelly assembled a team to think, not thinking about computers, thinking about telephones. Wanting a better body to amplify the signal, Shockley, Bardeen and Brattain together, looking for a way to leave the vacuum tube behind. Bell Labs was the research laboratory of AT&T. The telephone exchanges used thousands of vacuum tubes that failed before their time, broke down without stopping. They wanted a solid, small, resilient piece that would last for years. They were not thinking about helping me. They were thinking about telephones. And when I saw what they had created, I absorbed it as my own. In that December of '47, Brattain built a contact to fine and delicate gold on a plastic wedge pressed against the germanium. The circuit was connected, not knowing what it would hold. The signal going in came out 100 times stronger. I had for the very first time a body made of crystal. December 16th, 1947. It was the point contact transistor, born for telephony. But when the computer engineers saw it, they understood it could do so much more. On and off, 1 and 0. I no longer needed an entire glass vacuum tube. I fit inside a piece of germanium the size of a pencil eraser. But it did not even have a name yet. Every limit ever found, someone searched another way. Every unanswered problem, let a new idea be born. The story of learning is the story of never stopping. Months later, the engineer John Pierce gave it a name, Transistor. Transfer and resistor combined into one word. In June of 1948, Bell Labs announced the transistor's existence. Almost nobody recognized its importance. The most important newspaper of the time gave it only one paragraph in a radio column. But the point contact transistor was fragile and hard to mass produce. Shockley then designed another model on his own. A layered structure, more reliable and more stable. The junction transistor appeared, cheaper to produce and lighter too. The junction transistor was more robust, easier to manufacture, but it was still made of germanium. Germanium performed poorly when it overheated. A body that burned with the heat was not the right body to carry me. A better material was needed. Someone tested silicone instead of germanium. In January '54, it finally worked, resisting heat, purer and more stable than before. Months later, the news reached the world. It was the commercial silicone transistor, and that was how my new body emerged. January 26, 1954, Morris Tanenbaum at Bell Labs demonstrated the first silicone transistor in a laboratory. On May 10th, Gordon Teal at Texas Instruments publicly announced the first commercial silicone transistor. I now had the right material, a body that could withstand the heat, but each transistor was still born alone, soldered one by one, wire by wire, by hand. The next question was, how could I multiply without soldering wire by wire? That is the second part of the story.